he is the man. You didn't have to worry, oh, this phone call is costing me, you know, $30 a minute, $70 a minute. You knew that everything was already paid for. So you were comfortable. That phone call you may not have made to another attorney really meant something. And you may have lost your case because you were afraid to make that phone call.
He really only charges a flat rate, which is great because no matter how involved your case gets, when you hire him from the start, you have him at that flat rate and he does the job no matter how involved it gets.
Somebody else hearing of the first complaint made a complaint against my wife, and he took care of that problem without any extra charge, even though it's 2 complaints versus 1 complaint. He took care of that problem.
These other attorneys were not like that. They were just, okay, here's a case, we will pursue it for you, and this is what, you know, it will cost or whatever else.
The first attorney told me I couldn't pay him on Monday. I had to pay him on Friday. Attorney Seaver said, I said, well, we'll have to get you a check. He said, that'll work itself out. I'm talking to you about the case. And to me, that showed me this wasn't about money. This was about principle and what was right.
That attorney did nothing for her, didn't keep in contact with her, didn't do anything. And I told her, I said, I just think that she's throwing you under the bus. She doesn't care about you. You're not a person. You're a paycheck. You're a paycheck to her. We need to find someone who actually has a heart. We can't go on like this. This is your life. This is your son's life. This is my life. We need to get it back.
That flat fee gave me all of him. He never once for a moment made me think he was nickel and diming me or that he cared about the money. He cared about me as a person.
If you like this video, please share it with someone that you know that's in trouble, has issues, or legal challenges with DCF. Thank you.